Viewers, welcome to ICT Tube. Today I'll discuss about newly released the OnePlus 70 and 70 Pro by a Chinese company, and I'll show the features and the review of this OnePlus 70 and 70 Pro. So let's move on. Viewers, welcome back. If I want to say about the review of OnePlus 70, then I have to say the good things and bad things of this phone. So at first I have to say the good things. In competitive price, OnePlus 70 using the Android 10 operating system, which is out of box, and has 3 rear cameras that capturing the excellent photos, and the processor is lightning fast, and the display is 90 Hz display, which is very smooth for eyes. Now coming to the next point, the bad things. In the bad things, mainly 2 items is here. First one is this phone does not have any wireless charging options, and another one is it does not containing the headphone dongle in the box. Now coming to the next descriptions of this OnePlus 70, which is giving you a premium specifications and GP performance at that value. And another information which is it's the price of OnePlus 70 is $599, which is more than Pixel 3, but it's of course less than iPhone 11. It's a middle price which is more suitable to buy for the customers, and the price is near about approximately 485 euro, and the Australia will not get this phone to buy or sell. In the design, not as elegant as OnePlus 7 Pro, but still slim. Though the OnePlus 70 looks similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro, there are some specific differences that make it a little less stylish, less premium. OnePlus 70 is greater resolutions from the OnePlus 7 Pro. The front triple rear camera that is not in OnePlus 7 Pro, and the design does not hinder anything functionally, but it's just not as pretty as the slimable in the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 70 does not have any headphone jack, and unlike previous models of OnePlus 7 phone. Like previous models, OnePlus 70 is not officially IP rated for water resistance, but OnePlus say it as water resistant as the OnePlus 7 Pro. When we tested that phone's water durability in August, it survived 30 minutes in a tank of water, which is impressive given that phones rated IP68 are easily able to survive the same test. And the next point is fingerprint, which is very essential for a smartphone. The OnePlus 70 has a display fingerprint reader to unlock your screen. If you don't like to using the fingerprint, you can still have options for PIN or face unlock. But here information that face unlock is not authorized for the digital payments. Now coming to the in details of camera. OnePlus 70 triple camera takes greater light shots. With its 48, 12 and 16 megapixel rear camera, the OnePlus 70 takes the vibrant and sharp photos. Its new macro model allowed to take picture of object closer and much more in focus than before. And the phone nightscape mode at times took sharper photos than the Pixel 3 Nightshade. Face, for instance, were blurred on the Pixel 3, and I could see the finger details. Now coming to the video, which is resolutions 4K ultra wide video capture as well as the super slow-mo. Yes, that's all for OnePlus 70 and 70 Pro. And thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and you can press the bell icon for next video. Thank you again.